Here's everything that you need to be bringing into the Disney World theme parks. If you're new here, hi, my name is Timea and I live 5 minutes from Disney World. I do one of these pack with me videos every single year because some of the stuff does change, but majority of the stuff stays the same. And I just want to make sure you guys are fully prepared for your trip to Disney World. I feel like I have pretty good insight on this because I live 5 minutes from Disney World and I go to Disney World 3 to 4 times a week. And just because I'm a local doesn't mean I don't spend 14-hour days at the theme parks, because I definitely do. So this video is specifically going to be based on those days, since that's what I'm assuming you're going for. This video is also going to be divided into different sections so you can kind of jump through exactly what you're looking for, like type of bag. Oh, also don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video and if you want to see more. The first thing you're going to have to decide is if you are an overpacker or an underpacker. An overpacker would be someone who packs literally everything and anything in case of emergencies, and an underpacker is someone who wants to bring the least amount of things possible. Personally, since I've been living here for a while, I am 100% an underpacker now, but I will be showing you everything that you need, and then you can kind of decide from there what you actually want to pack for your trips to Disney World. Also, keep in mind that this list is for specifically what you need to bring inside of the theme parks, not for like your overall vacation. The two main types of bags you'll see me with around the parks, which if you do see me at the parks, please say hi, but the two main types of bags you'll see me with is fanny packs and backpacks, specifically these mini backpacks from Loungefly. I say Loungefly, you don't need a Loungefly backpack to get into Disney World. Absolutely not. You can bring whatever type of backpack you like. I personally just love the sizing of these Loungefly specifically because they are really, really small and compact. Like, I mean, look at it. It's really not that big, but it's like a Mary Poppins bag inside. The amount of things you can fit in it is huge because it's so like thick on the bottom. I mean like a 14-hour day's worth of stuff in here, and you don't need a bag any bigger than this. Now, if we're talking about children, I can't really speak too much on that, so you'll have to make that judgment on your own or watch one of my other fellow YouTubers videos. And also, like, you just can't go wrong. Look at how cute these things are. They're so adorable. Another type of bag you'll see me with is something like this. This one is from Thread, and it's another type. It's like a sling. Like, I would just wear it like this normally. You can wear it a ton of different ways, but this is another type of bag. This and the fanny pack are more for my underpackers. And then there's also the good old tote. The tote is for when I need to bring a ton of bulky stuff, like a tripod, my camera, extra batteries, mic. Like if it's a content day, but if it's like a content like 14-hour day, most likely I will either be bringing this or this. Like if I need extra lenses, it even fits in here. So it's usually between these two when I need to bring a ton of stuff. In terms of essentials, you're obviously going to want to bring a magic band if you have one. If not, your Disney card or ticket works just fine as well, or it's on your app. You're going to want to bring a portable charger. This is the one that I have been using. This is updated from the last video that I made. I got this one from Amazon. It's Anchor's portable charger. I actually got it before it became super huge and popular, but I like it because it lasts a really long time. Color is very cute. It's got that like MagSafe ring where basically the phone will just magnetize to it and it sticks on, so I don't need another cord for it. And the back kind of makes a tripod like this, which, by the way, nothing in this is sponsored. I spent all my own money on this, but I definitely really like this one a lot, and I bring this with me all the time, especially because it's so thin. Another essential that you're going to want is a hand sanitizer. This one is the Touchland one, and I like theirs specifically because it's very thin this way, so in a bag such as this one, it fits in. It doesn't take up a lot of room, so it won't like stick out. Same thing for like a fanny pack, it just slides in, or even on the Loungefly, it just kind of goes in the side pocket like that, and it's really easy. Literally any hand sanitizer will do, but the amount of times I get sick throughout the year and the amount of times my friends get sick throughout the year, and I swear it's literally just because we go to the parks all the time, and sometimes, a lot of times I do forget my hand sanitizer, I will be honest, so I have to go like wash my hands in the bathroom, but like you just want hand sanitizer with you at all times. Like, trust me, you will want it. The next thing is a little random, but on my last video that I did a year ago, all of you guys basically said that you agree with me 100%, is bringing a paper towel. I wear glasses. I'm not wearing them right now because the reflection of the light will be annoying in the video, but I do wear glasses a lot. Sometimes I'll wear contacts, but I'm gonna be honest, I lost my contacts and I need to just go to the eye doctor in general and get a new prescription. So until then, we're just wearing glasses. So a paper towel comes in such handy. If you get a smear on your glasses, or even your sunglasses. You know that if you're wearing a certain type of material, you can't just like wipe it off with your shirt because it'll just rub it around, especially if it's like some greasy thing. Paper towel will come in such handy. You could also get lens wipes, but I just bring a paper towel because it's also useful if I go and I want to sit down at a table. I always just have a spare one, so I can just wipe down the table really quick. Or I don't know, my phone lens is dirty and I can't use my shirt for whatever reason because I'm soaking wet from a ride. Got my paper towel. Now you may ask, how do I keep my paper towel dry? With a paper towel. Yep, that's right. This Ziploc bag goes inside this paper towel. Wait, I just said that backwards. This paper towel goes inside this Ziploc bag. It keeps it dry. And I always bring a large gallon-sized Ziploc bag with me. There is no snacks for you here, sir. I'm sorry. The reason I bring a big Ziploc bag like this is typically when I know I'm going to be going on water rides, I will put everything in this Ziploc bag. So I will have this, but right before a water ride, or if I think it's gonna start to rain and I know I'm just gonna have to walk through the rain, I go ahead and I toss my phone in there, I'll toss my wallet in there, I'll toss any electronics that I don't want to get wet inside of the Ziploc bag. And because it's a gallon, normally it can fit my wallet and my phone, like essential stuff. I'm also so sorry that there's like no light. My apartment doesn't get a lot of light as it is, and it gets dark super early. If you've got longer hair, you'll also want some type of hair clip or hairband. And this is just because if your hair gets messy on a ride, you can also bring water into the parks, water and food and snacks. So typically I do not, just because I'm lazy. So a great thing that what I've been seeing other people doing is getting like a kid-sized water bottle or like a metal one, and then using that to bring into the parks because they can fit that into their bag, and it's not as big as like one of these water bottles, but it fits in here perfectly. Do not come for me about my Dasani water. This was from the parks. That's why I have not finished it, okay? If you don't understand, Dasani is like a super hated brand of water, so I just needed to justify myself. Anyway, now you can get refills for your water. You can refill it at a water fountain, or you can go to a quick service area and ask for a cup of water, and they will give you a cup of water and you can fill up your water bottle that way. But I don't believe that they will take your water and put it up against a thing and just fill it for you. Like, they're not allowed to touch your water bottle. So they will have to give you like cups, however many you need to ask for, and you will have to do it yourself. So just keep that in mind. A poncho or an umbrella. Now, it really depends what type of person you are. Last year when I made a video, I said I was 100% a poncho person. 100% poncho girly. But within that course of a year, which is why I update this and make a new one every year, is because I am a umbrella person now. Reason being, ponchos, love them because you can fold them up, make them super tiny and compact, really great, flat, don't take up a lot of space. Literally could fit one in my fanny pack and bring the most minimal amount of stuff. But when I'm vlogging or using my camera, I need an umbrella. And I was scarred at Halloween Horror Nights. But if you watch my Halloween Horror Nights video on the first night when it opened, it was pouring rain and I brought myself a poncho because I thought it was fine. Poncho was not gonna help me film my content and walk around. So I needed an umbrella. But if that is not an issue for you and you're not planning on filming any content or taking a ton of pictures or videos or whatever, which a lot of people are, just know that a poncho is gonna be great to cover you and your backpack, and it'll be fine and perfect, and you don't have to worry about holding another thing in your hand. But if you are trying to take videos and pictures and stuff and you don't want your device getting soaking wet, then umbrella is gonna be the way that you have to go. Another annoying part about an umbrella though is that you have to take it out when you're going through the metal detectors. You don't have to take it out, but if you don't take it out, they're gonna beep you, they're gonna stop you, you're gonna have to go wait in line to get your bag checked, they're gonna scan you down, they're gonna be like, oh, what's in your bag? Oh, an umbrella? Okay, go ahead. And it's just so much more time that if you're already running late, because I know some of you will be, like, it's just how it is, and it's just a bit annoying, so it's just another step. This may be a weird one, but if you're planning on going on water rides and you know you're gonna get soaking wet, or if it's gonna be raining all day, plan your shoes accordingly. Normally, if I prefer sneakers. Sneakers are extremely comfortable for me. I made a video last year or the year before on the best brand and shoe for the theme parks, but I'm gonna make an updated one for this year as well. But sneakers are my go-to. Nothing will make my feet hurt less. Okay, well, my light just died. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. So for my overpackers, definitely bring all of that stuff, 100%. Like you couldn't go wrong with a single thing. Oh my god, I almost forgot the most important one. She literally just saw me have a revelation. I need more caffeine. Anyway, a medicine bag. I got this one off of one of my purses, but I bring this with me everywhere. I used to put it in a Ziploc bag, and now I bring it in this. I may go back to putting it in a Ziploc bag once I start going on water rides again and it starts raining more often. But this is something that I bring with me everywhere because I have 1,001 allergies. Obviously, if you're a person that needs to reapply sunscreen, definitely do that. If you're a person who likes to bring makeup with you to reapply that, definitely do that. Like, you don't only have to bring what I say. These are just like my main essential things that I always bring with me for a big day. You're there and you don't want to have to leave, of course. And you're there and you want to be inside the park for the whole 14 hours maybe. But just remember, like, if there is an emergency and you need something like sunscreen or chapstick or whatever, majority of the time, Disney will be selling it. So worst case scenario, you can buy it there. Anyway, I hope that this was helpful. Let me know if there's anything that you specifically bring to Disney every single time that you think would be helpful for other people. And I hope you guys have a fantastic vacation if it's coming up soon, or if you're thinking about going on vacation, I hope that you end up going. Again, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for a ton more Disney and Universal content. I have really exciting moving vlogs coming up soon that I'm so excited to show you guys. Don't worry, I'm not moving far, just a couple more minutes away, but I will still be a neighbor to Disney World. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful week and a magical month, and I'll see y'all in the next one.